Guten Abend, my daisies. So yes, we're back with your busy girl. Hindi ko na kaya. Naksis. Like, bumabagyo pero binabagyo din kami ng gawain. Feel the pain. Ay, okay. Pero yes, I'm back. Kasi promise ko sa inyo na meron tayong poem per week. Huwag yung i-mind yan. It's called skincare. Yan, pimples. Like, padami ng padami yung problema ko. Padami din siya ng padami. They are showing up like mushrooms. Kung saan na lang nag-a-appear bugs. So, yes. Wala pa rin akong allowance from the scholarship. Galing, diba? Although, we will meet the sponsors this incoming week sa Friday. Ano kayang activities? I don't know what activities we will do, but so again, a new friend from that scholarship. She's very nice, to be honest, and she likes drawing. Halos lahat ng nagiging kaibigan ko mahilig mag-drawing. Am I turning into an extrovert? I don't know. Okay. Pero, silent pa rin ako, ama, na like I'm trying to adapt with your vibe. Like, I'm just a mirror. I'm just replicating ba? Basta, yung kinokopya yung ano niya na yun. So, yes, I'm here with a poem. Inaantok na ako. Although, madami pa akong gagawin. Lalo na, there is a lot of group activities. I don't wanna do this anymore, guys. Like, give me a break. Like, not only class suspension. When you say class suspension, there is no school activities. Why is there a needed interview? So, pupunta kami sa bahay ng i-interview namin habang nag-swimming sa leptospiros. My goodness. Don't start with the I need your pictures. Like, bro, I look unhinged in that picture. Like, I need to send. It's a requirement. At least my face didn't look like this. Although before that picture, it looks like this. Because I'm trying to remove these pimples all over my face. Like, bruh. If you're stressed, you gotta look not stressed. The solution? The skincare. Yes, I'm busy, but I still do skincare. Like, yun na nga lang treat ko sa sarili ko. Ipagkakaila ko pa sa sarili ko. Like, okay, so, about dun sa PR namin. PR means practical research. We have a subject like that here, especially when you are a STEM student. So it's more on innovations and robots. I think I mentioned it last time. But if I didn't, at least boom. It's different from others' practical research, more of social solutions. Kasi sa iba, sa amin gagawa kami ng robots. Although it's still interconnected with the social solutions or our new current problems in our era. So yeah, na-jump scare lang ako kasi hindi ko alam na pipiliin ng mga ka-group ko yung title ko. Like, what the heck. Sanay na ako. Like, sa classroom. Hindi naman ako yung type student na trip nila. Kasi medyo weird nga ako. But, yes, embrace the weirdness, bro. Wow, she's quirky na. Like, hindi talaga masyado. Like, strict parents ko. Tapos, bogs, ganun pa ako. Like, kapag nakipag-argument ako, nakipag-debate ako, grabe na. Debate me on debate. Ganon. Okay. I have a way with words, but I'm more comfortable on typing it first or writing it first. Kasi, nahihirapan ako. Like, walang words na pumapasok sa utak ko. Like, more enhanced yung words na ginagamit ko kapag nag-write muna ako or nag-type muna ako. Like, bro, like, dinibate kasi yan once nung kaibigan ko kainis. Okay, so, ito na, write or type. Okay. Mapi check. Joke lang. Malamig lang talaga kasi may hood. Aray ko. Malamig lang talaga kasi dahil naulan. Kaya ito yung sinuot ko. Maawa na kayo sa akin. Like, guys, nakakapag-vlog ako sa bahay tapos gusto mga kaklase ko, like, ito yung namin, like, pwede na dito. Tapos nabagyo pa, okay guys? Take note, there is a typhoon here. And the rain is not so demure. Like, tapos gusto pa nilang umalis. They don't have a budget, bro. But they wanna go somewhere else, like far away from here. And I don't know where is it because hindi po ako sanay mag-commute. I'm so sorry. Like I said, strict parents. My range of commute is only near school or here, like on the marketplace here. But that's it, bro. I don't know where. But at least yung isang group ko, like, considerate pa sila kasi nga, hindi naman masyado mabigat yung task na pag-uusapan namin bukas. Although, kailangan ko sa ulo ng yell. Although, I made a yell, but hindi nila trip because masyado nga ako kasing Englisher. Wait, sample ko sa inyo. Wait. I'm just finding yell. Because bakit ko sasauluhin? Hindi ko na masaulunak. Ama ka na. Dami ko nang sinasaul sa buhay. Although, there are sometimes na talagang in nature ko na talaga mabilis akong magsaulo. Hindi ko nga sa ulo tong yell na ginawa ko. Pero, I'm gonna give you the sample. Yes, sample. Kasi, ayoko na. Ano kasi siya, sa entrepreneurship namin, about food business. And pangalan kasi nung business namin is Chismosa. Like, we're focusing on cheese treats, but this is the pero hindi pa kasi napagkasunduan yung pangalan ng stall namin before ko ginawa yung yell. So this is my yell. Although hindi na nila gagamitin yell ko, but I'm okay with it. Sanay na ako nang hindi napipili. I have my own uniqueness, so I understand. Plus English era nga kasi akong frag. So we are the visioners, and we will give you delicious food, and we will serve you quality, then you will see us victorious. Tapos alam mo sa sticky, yung sticky. Oh, tapos I got something that we have the idea, competition we await, resilience and precision, claiming winners as our fate, strategy, a team, a hidden dream within our brains. You better be on guard, cause the fire's in our base is getting sticky. Tan 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 tan, is getting sticky. Tan tan tan. Balik ko sana stamp dun, kaso nga yun nga, kasi nga rap nga kasi siya. Ako nga minsan nabubulo pa. I understand, so I still love my group. At least may tumanggap sa akin na group kahit nga ganito nga ako, like. Huwag niyong iisipin na nagagalit ako, please. I'm far from being mad, bro. I don't have a group right now. Pero yung mga kagrupo ko na isa sa pag-vlogging namin, dude, we could have got a better solution and an easier one. More convenient given na may typhoon pa. Like, baka sa background, rinig nyo yung ulan. Pero bro, pasusugurin mo kami sa ulan bro. Simple vlogging lang naman siya, like, it's not too complicated. Like, pwede na siyang ganyan. Okay? Diba? Nag-vlog na ako. Diba? Anong ginagawa ko dito? Vlog na to. Ano kayo okay. Pero yun nga, kino-complicate kasi nila, masyado silang competitive. Dapat chill-chill lang. Sometimes, chill-chill. Pero, you know, okay na din yung competitive fire nila. Although, minsan sumusobra na, you need a borderline. Like, patatawagin ko na lang sa teacher ko yung parent ko. Sorry guys, pero hindi nyo ba naiisip na pwede tayong mapahamak given na nagtatyphoon na nga, tapos magbablog pa tayo? Paano tayo makakapag-vlog ng ayos na kapayong, tapos sasabihin nyo, sino maghahawak? Ano tayo magbabasketball habang nakapayong? Okay, yun lang. So, back to our main reason kung bakit ako nag-re-update. Here we go. Ito na yung poem titled, yung ginawa ko siya ay October 6, 2024. Okay. Title is What It Meant to Be With You. Okay. Kasi crush era ko talaga to. Like, stop. Bakla yung crush ko nun. Like, never again. Although kasi, hear me out. Naging hear me out. Sayang wala akong hear me out cake. Pero, hear me out, guys. Like, I saw him through rose-tinted glasses. Like, lahat lang ng green ang nakikita ko. Green tapos rose. I mean, niro-romanticize ko siya masyado. Like, the small things. Like, siguro dahil ang takal ko na hindi nagka-crush. Like, you know, pandemic happened. Tapos wala pa akong kinakausap kundi online friends ko. Although, hindi ko na sila tinakausap ngayon eh. Like, people come and go. Pero yung crush, like, last crush ko pa, elementary days or kindergarten days. But yeah, never gonna go crushing again. Like stop. Pati nga yung mga manual characters, hindi ko na siniship. Like, hindi ko na sila kinakrush. Like, natutuwa na lang ako sa kanila. Pero, may get out of my way, please. Masyado na ako madampi ng problema sa school. So, wag mo nang dagdagan. Ay. Okay. Pero, here we go. What it meant to be with you. Okay. Okay na. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ang ka-OA-an ko. Long pinapanood niya to yung mga friends ko, mga very best friend ko. Thank you sa pag-support sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, what it meant to be with you. My dear, loving you was deep red. There's always a battle inside, a feeling of 1,000 dread. A spark every time we collide. Every drop of blood I owe you. The moon I will always pursue. For loving you is hue of blue. Any moment was never dull. My afflatus, my only view. Without you, I am nothing but null. Like a magnet I was drawn to. Inevitable, something pure true. Loving you also tickled pink. A love cared by seraphs above. My heart races to its near brink. For you are my undying trove, the one who takes my breath away. All I ask is for you to stay. Loving you is also purple. Being with you felt more than grand. You by my side, there's no hurdle. I am enslaved to your own hand. Your title will never be sold. I shall cherish you till youth or old. Lastly, loving you meant yellow. My soul is always at cloud nine. With you, I never felt hollow. To you I offer words to rhyme, words, embodiment of my love. Always you, no one goes above. And that, my folks, is what it meant to be you. Yes, ang OA ko. Sorry kung nag-stutter ako doon sa pangalawang line. Pero, may proof na hindi ako nag-chat GPT. Like, my love for poetry is like, what made me love poetry? Obviously, my dad. And my dad introduced me to Edgar Allan Poe. Like, I like Shakespeare. Hear me out. I like Shakespeare. But, Edgar Allan Poe, like, oh, hell, like, damn, give me chills. Like, yeah. Yes, he gave me chills. My favorite poem is, ano ko nabanggit ko na tayo yung poem niyang Annabelle Lee, like, like, grabe, ang sakit nun, actually, like, ang tanda ko, sinaulo ko yun. Although, hindi ko siya sa ulo ngayon. Forgive me, my bias. Although, he's not living anymore. Oh, eh. Pero, yeah, I still admire his works. Nag-uncover pa ako ng ilang poet, charis. Pero if you have a suggestion which poet I should look upon to or influence my poems to, you can recommend me. Kasi, because I'm too addicted. Poetry, mythology, I also like learning languages, sign language na. Like, ganun, hello, my name is, hindi ko kaya magbalik. Okay, bagalan natin. Yes, that's my first name. That's the original first name. Oh no, baka dito sa okay. Tapos, you know the answer? Like, joke. Hindi. Ang alam ko, pag nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Kasi meet you, ganun. Di ko lang tanda kung ano yung nice. Like, ito yung meet you. Tapos ito, thank you. This is father, this is mother. And then, this is book, this is boat. And this is car. Learning. Oh, baliktad ata, ganun. Learning. And then, anong color nga ulit to? Is it green? I think it's green. Tapos kapag blue. Tapos, alam ko yung basic alphabet sa ASL, like mo, malina ka. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, tanda ko ganyan. Tapos H, I, J, K, L. Yung M, nahihirapan na ako, guys. M, N, O, yung P. P? Tama ba P? Hindi, ganun kasi yun P. Basta letter P yun. Tapos Q, R, S, T, U, V. Like, W, ano man, X. X. Tapos Y, and Z. Ha! Ha! Ganon. Like, kapag may pogi bit. Oh, talaga. Like, pinagmalaki ko pa yun doon sa scholarship, pero basic pa lang alam ko. At least marunong, guys, diba? Aminin nyo. Okay. Like, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Yes. Okay. Tapos may natutunan ako doon sa nag-interview sa akin ng scholarship, like, gumaganon-ganon siya, like, hindi ko alam kung ganon, like, pag ganon siya, like, pag ganon, hindi ko alam. Basta, sabi ko, hala, ano yun, nagpapadik to si ante. Sabi ko, ano siya, so sinabi ko, ma'am, clarification lang po, basics pa lang po, alam ko, like, I'm so sorry, tao lang, busy. Pero, sabi niya, how old was my cousin na deaf? Kasi, inaral ko talaga yung ASL dahil sa cousin kong deaf. Like, super, like, kapag naglalaro kami, hindi kami magkaintindihan. Pero, gusto ko talaga siya maintindihan. Like, ansay makipaglaro sa kanya. Like, kids gonna be curious, right? Like, why is she doing this? Why is she doing this? Like, hindi ko gets. Wait lang. Tapos sabi ko, so, i-acting ko siya. So, parang charade. So, kapag magtataguan ko, ganun ako. Natatawa na lang ako. So talagang know her better. So, pinag-aralan ko yung ESL. Although, basic pa lang ako. Like, I'm so sorry. Like, tinatry ko sa app. Pero nga nabibisi tayo sa school. Tao lang ako, bro. I can't. I have 2 hands and not 8 hands. Multiple kalamay. You know that. Pero yes, you're doing great. Tsaka isa pang language though, German. Although, yung accent ko hindi pa gano-gano. Yan, Guten Abend. Ich bin Relsai. Ja, Harald. Ayoko mong sabihin yung H ko. Ich liebe ihn. Ayoko din sabihin. Meine Hobbys sind Streiten, like, Guten Streiten und Marlen. Ganon, like, tapos, yung sometimes, ito, tanda yung linya, oh my god. Kapag babae, Frau, kapag lalaki, man. Tapos, my husband, main, same. Tapos, kapag lande, alam, kapag sweetheart, my schwatz. Schwatz. Parang nagsya-schwatz lang tayo lang. Pero, Schwartz ba or Schwatz? Basta, Schwatz. OA. Ito naman si OA. Ano pa ba? German na alam ko. Ayan. Ano nga? Kapag you. Hindi ko tandaan kapag you ang ano. Basta. Kapag main viewers are shun. Alam niyo shun. Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Shun. Klug. Smart. O kapag nice. Net. Kapag matangkad. Gross. Like gross. Growth. Like hindi gross. Gross. Like ganon sila. Lagi silang pa German. Like mga kulang na lang mga gut sila. Like, hindi ko din discriminate, pero ang cute kasi. Oh my God. Nabe-brain rot na ako, tapos hinaluan mo pa ng German. Guten Abend, guten Tag, guten Morgen, how are you? Champ, joke na. Okay. How are you sa German? Hindi ko nga alam. Pero alam ko yung 2 types of goodbye, yung isa formal, yung isa informal. Yung informal or parang short lang, choose. Tapos yung isa, auf Wiedersehen. Tapos yung isa, kung do you want tea or coffee? Tea oder coffee? Coffee. Tea oder coffee? Oh, sarap, charis. Tapos yung isa, kapag order. Kapag and, o di ba may bago ka ng language. Kapag meine Schwester, it means my sister. Meine Bruder means my brother. Yun po to. Tapos, mein Vater. Alam niyo na, di ba? My father. Oh. Meine Mutter. Para silang meron silang feminine and masculine. Yun ba? Kapag, and my favorite animal, meine Katze. It's a cat. Mein Hund. My dog. Elephant. Ganun. Elephant, diba? Basic lang yun. Duolingo core. Milk. Broth. Bread. Diba? Shit. Basta yan. Okay, auf Wiedersehen, my Daisy is Babush.